If it's a highly organized syndicate, Mayor, sino yung head ng sindikato?
Siguro hintay na lang natin magsalita. Pero definitely siguro.
And you mentioned Saldi ko kanina.
Yes. Isa sa mga kanya, isa sa mga figures.
And may isa pang mas mataas sa kanya?
Hindi naman gagalaw yung una. Siyempre, hindi naman gagalaw yung walang pahintulot yung mas mataas sa kanya.
Tamang inference ng pumila. Tamang inference ng pumila na kung sino yung mas mataas sa kanya.
May nagbigay ng basbas.
Sila po ba yung mga pangunahing sindikato dito sa Anomalya, yung mga kongresista?
Eh, wala kaduda-duda naman eh. Marami sa kanila involved eh, no? Wala kaduda-duda yan. Ito nga, hirap na hirap silang banggitin pa yung isa sa mga mastermind nila dyan, si Saldi ko, hirap na hirap pa silang banggitin eh. For some reason, di ko rin alam kung bakit takot na takot. Ibig sabihin, it's a public knowledge inside Congress kung gaano ka-powerful yung tao na yan. No? But why is it that they're afraid to mention his name? Why? Diba? Nakakalungkot isipin.
Mayor, for the record, ang sa tingin niyo mastermind dito si Saldico?
Hindi ko alam. Baka meron pa mas mataas sa kanya. Hindi naman basta-basta gagalaw yan. Diba?
To prove crime. Ano po sa palagay niyo, what should be the form and substance and direction of this probe commission moving forward para ito maging productive at magbunga ng konkretong resulta?
Alam niyo, malaking bagay ho itong third party, kung magiging third party po na investigating body. At naghihintay nga ho tayo kung ano yung latest na development because every day matters dito ho. Every day na nade-delay, nawawalan ho ng ebidensya. Every day din, gumagalaw ho yung pera, na itatago yung pera. Talaga ho, ang direction ho niyan is to file cases. Collect ng ebidensya and file cases and kailangan ho ma-prosecute. Sigurado, kailangan ho, pero makulong.
Doon sa trabaho nyo, CIDG, nag-iimbestiga kayo, nagpapile kayo ng kaso. Sa inyong karanasan, ano dapat na mabago o ma-improve para magkaroon po tayo ng sample ng konkretong resulta at hindi puro balita sa pahayagan?
Alam niyo, Sir Sunny, meron ho tayo mga low-lying fruits eh. Kailangan siguro in the first week pa lang ng commission, meron na tayo na ipapile kagad eh. Sa dami na ho ng mga ebidensya na gathered, na kolekta ng iba-ibang mga, let us say, grupo nila Senator Lacson, grupo nila Vince Dizon, Secretary Vince Dizon, ito ho, pwede na ho nating consolidate na lang at may file na kagad itong mga ito.
Meron din yata po kayo mismo doon sa inyong
yes, sir. Meron din
your own initiative na baka po gusto ninyong i-share sa amin yung inyong mga findings.
Meron na rin po kaming mga naipon din ho, mga ebidensya na pwede na rin po naming siguro in a matter of 1 week pwede na ho naming i-file. And at the same time, pati ho yung mga local government units na member ho namin ng Mayor's for Good Governance are willing to share pieces of evidence na nakolekta ho nila para mapabilis ho lahat eh. Kasi ang taong bayan, naghihintay ho yan eh. Kailangan may makita kagad silang resulta. Ganun po yung immediate direction. Low-lying fruits ho muna. Katapos ho saka yung mga intensive na investigation ho sa mga complicated ho na mga kaso, doon ho magkakaroon ng follow-up. Ang importante po rito talaga is may nakikita ang taong bayan.
Both to BACC and Mayors for Good Governance, are you both for the creation of an independent commission, or you call it probe commission, separate? There is an ongoing House and Senate investigation. Kanya-kanyang charges na ito eh. I mean, doon sa kabila, senador ang mga binabanatan. Doon sa kabila, congressman ang binabanatan. Parang kitang-kita mo yung ganun ang nagiging postura eh. So, can you put on record, is BACC and or the Mayors for Good Governance batting for the creation of an independent commission to look into this flood control project scandal?
Yeah. Ang BACC po is is calling for an independent fact-finding commission, board of inquiry, or whatever you call it, no? But then it should be independent, isolated from, especially sa COA kasi medyo tireless na rin dahil yung isang doon, chairman. So independent, maybe multi-sectoral, consisting of yung qualification must be men of integrity,
Women din po, women. Women, isali natin yung women.
Yeah, sorry. Men and women with the qualities of mataas ang integridad, cannot be questioned, at independent, away from yung the halls of Congress, at the Senate, and dito sa mga ahensya na involved, no? I'm thinking of COA, Ombudsman. Nandiyan naman, may working mechanism yung mga yan Ombudsman, COA, DOJ, and even yung mga attached agencies, no? NBI, PNP, at kasi po, ito po hindi lang laban ng 5 pillars ng criminal justice. Well, yung community tayo, laban natin lahat ito Kasi lahat tayo apektado dito, no? Yung peso stolen, intended for education, education will suffer. Instead, yung mga classrooms, dapat na doon. Kaya ang VCC is fully supportive dito, pero magbabantay kami as guardians of truth, saka watchdogs kami, together with our partnership, no, sa lahat ng pillars ng criminal justice. I agree with Benji, no, yung there is a need talaga sa case build-up that will lead for yung reasonable certainty of conviction. Prosecution muna and conviction. Ang kailangan po kasi dito sample may makulong, accountability, yung certainty of jail term. Ang nangyari nga ngayon dito, yung public trust is a public office is a public trust at all times. Pero nangyayari yung public service, self-service nangyayari for them. Di ba? Kaya yun lang, yun ang point ng we fully support yung isang independent commission, fact-finding, no? Para mapakulong natin po itong mga to.
Mayor?
Sir, I cannot agree more with BACC. Alam niyo, from the very start naman, ang stand ho ng Mayor's Good Governance is for a third-party independent body.
What will happen to the Blue Ribbon committees of both houses? The House is investigating, the Senate is investigating. What do you foresee? Will they agree? Kasi an independent commission to have powers should also be created by Congress. The Davide Commission was formed to look into, I think, the
corruption yun.
Various
election.
Kuditas.
Kudita.
Okay.
After 86.
So, it was passed by Congress. I was the principal sponsor of the law creating the Davide Commission. So, what will happen now? Will we ask the Senate and the House, please step aside. Some of your members are being investigated. So how can you investigate something that involves some of your members? I mean, to put it bluntly. So there is really a need. Is that the reason? There is really a need for a third party body, impartial body, as much as possible, or away from the members, or away from these institutions, because an institution will tend, I'm not saying it will always do it, but will always tend to protect its members. Will that be part of the justification that the reality is some of the members of these investigating bodies, like the Senate and the House, some of their members are going to be investigated? Mayor, state the obvious.
Tama po kayo, Sir Joey. Kaya nga lagi po ako nalalagay sa alanganin every time na magsasabi po ako na sarsuela. Every time I refer to the House investigation. Ako, siguro from a very personal perspective, hindi naman sa Mayor's Good Governance, personal perspective, I see yung Senate na investigation more credible. No? Pero karapatan ho nilang dalawa yun eh. Karapatan ho nila. Kaya ulitin ko, I go for the third party independent investigating body.